Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got an unboxing from Amazon, Amazon.com. So we're going to see what's in the package, but before I get started, just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are awesome, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, as well as leaving any comments in the comments section below. I do try to respond to all comments, but definitely give that thumbs up, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and post affiliate links, so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. Price is always the same whether you use the affiliate link or not. The only difference is I get a small commission if you decide to use it, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into this package and take a look at what we've got in the bag. And there's my buddy Schrody coming, hitting the camera. Okay, so it looks like we've got a BENYAR, which is PAGANI design, and we've got an Addiesdive watch. Let's see here, which one to open first? You guys know I love both PAGANI design and Addiesdive. BENYAR is actually the same company as PAGANI design, so their watches are exactly the same in terms of quality and design. Just the only difference is the logo. So let's get into this Addiesdive first. Buddy, that's my hand. Hey, that's my hand. Hey, calm down. All right, buddy. All right, if you're gonna be in the video, you got to be good. Okay, so this is an Addiesdive GMT watch. Let's see what this is. We've got the it's all wrapped in the plastic here. So this is the Addiesdive GMT AD 2036. This is actually a very, very nice watch. It's got the it's a quartz movement, but it's a Swiss Ronda 515-24H movement. I'm having a little bit of a difficult time here getting this plastic off because it's wrapped very, very tightly. So let's see what we can do here. All right. Okay, so let's take a good look at it. Okay, it's a very nice quality watch, very, very nice GMT watch. You can control the GMT hand for a second time zone. It's date format. So very, very nice quality on this thing. It's a very nice looking watch. Really good loom capability on it. Okay, so the so this watch is actually got, like I said, it's got the Swiss quartz movement in it, and it's got the bubble mineral crystal, which is also very nice. I like that, the hardened mineral crystal with the bubble on it. It's a really great looking GMT watch. Nice quality build on it. It's got a really tight bracelet. It's got the trifold clasp with the side buttons, milled clasp on it. Very, very nice. It's available right now on Amazon for about $90, and I believe there is still a 15% off coupon, so you can get this watch for somewhere in the neighborhood of 70 bucks. Very, very good deal at that price, guys. The specs you get for this watch at that price is really, really nice. And it is a very, very sharp looking watch. It really does look classic and just sharp, sleek looking. It's got that Seiko look to it. Looks kind of like a Seiko 5. Very nice watch. Really, really good quality watch, especially for the price. You can't beat it for that price. So I will post a link to that in the description below, so you guys can head on over and check that out. And once again, it comes packaged very, very nicely. Comes with your warranty card, your user's manual. Also, it's got a resizing tool, and it's very, very nicely packaged in this protective case. So, once again, Addiesdive, great watches. I really do like the Steel Dive, the Addiesdive watches, and this one is no exception. It is a great watch for the price. Like I said, head on over to Amazon using that affiliate link right now and take advantage of that 15% off coupon. I believe it's still available as of this time. Okay, next watch in the haul is going to be the BENYAR watch, which is the Pagani design brand. Now this watch is going to be an homage to a much higher end luxury brand. It does have a 1960s atomic era look to it, and I'm curious to see how nice this watch actually is. It does come with a sizing tool, packaged very well, just like Pagani design. As always, comes with the instruction booklet and a cleaning cloth. Once again, this is the cleaning cloth I get from Pagani Design. This is the one I get from BENYAR. So they are exactly the same company. Comes with the tassel for the band bracelet. And wow, guys, it's a really nice watch, and it looks just like it's an homage to, it looks just like who it is homaging to. It's definitely a tribute to that brand and its design, with the lightning second hand, the green around the crystal. Just a very nice looking watch all around. It's really, really sharp looking. Great movement on the hands as you're turning the crown. This is an let's see, this is an automatic. It is the automatic BY5176M. This is a sapphire crystal, guys, with the exhibition case back. Very nice quality watch with a great quality tight bracelet on this thing, with the side pins, the side buttons to release the clasp, tri-folding clasp. Very, very sharp looking watch. It's nice, and look, it does harken back to that 1960s nuclear era, atomic era. Just a wonderful looking watch. Looks really, really nice with that green contrast to that matte black dial, and the striking orange indices with that lightning bolt on the second hand, that lightning bolt second hand. Really, really sharp looking watch. It's a really nice classic looking watch, and you do get a lot for the money with this watch. So I would definitely recommend this. Once again, really nice watch. Right now you can pick this thing up on Amazon for $55. $55 for an automatic watch with a sapphire crystal. That is just amazing. It does have 50 meters of water resistance, and it's stainless steel case with a really, really tight bracelet and the trifold clasp. Very, very nice with the exhibition case back. You're just getting a lot for your money here when it comes to, you know, the price on this being at around 50, 55 bucks. You're going to pick this thing up for less than $60, and that's a great deal. So once again, guys, we've got two great watches. We've got the Addiesdive GMT AD 2036 watch, GMT watch, with 200 meters of water resistant, the bubble mineral crystal, and the quartz Swiss Ronda movement. And then we've got the BENYAR, which is Pagani design, automatic BY5176M with the sapphire crystal, 50 meters of water resistance. We've got a price point of around 60 bucks for this one, and we've got a price point of about $70 if you use that coupon right now on Amazon. So I will be posting links to both of these in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick these things up and wear them for yourself. So once again, I'm Dave the Watchman. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I do review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick these up and wear them for yourself. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman with my buddy Schrodey Cat, and we are out of here. So you guys all have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Have a good day.